I didn't tell anyone. I didn't tell anyone they were wrong. I respected Mika's opinion, and I asked her a question. That's it.
So I'm caping for women in general.
I don't know what you do, nigga. It's your normal, nigga. So what the fuck?
Nigga, your normal.
I'm not gonna leave this time. I'm not gonna leave.
Okay.
Did y'all hear that? Let's go back.
I'm not gonna leave this
Normal, nigga. So what the fuck?
Nigga, your normal.
I'm not gonna leave this time. I'm not gonna leave.
Okay.
I'm not gonna leave.
If we want to talk about normal, what does that mean?
That's your norm, the cape for women.
And your norm is to be gay for women.
Boom. He did it again. Listen, how can you can't call a man out like this and don't expect a man to respond? Now listen.
I don't know what that means to be
What's
gay
the
for
difference?
women. I don't know what it means to be
What's the
gay for women.
difference?
If you explain to
That
me
means you're
how
happy
to be
for
gay
women.
I guess I don't know what
happy
be
for
gay.
women.
I don't know what it means to be gay for a woman. If you can explain that to me, then I can answer your
It
question.
means that you're the gay best friend.
That's fine.
shit.
That's fine.
Look, even Slimmy had to get out the screen. Look at every look. Watch Kim's face in the corner. She like, oh, like wait, whoa, you cool?
That you're the gay best friend.
Look at Kim in the corner.
That's fine. That's fine.
Like damn, like you cool?
If I'm the gay best friend, that's fine.
Even Mika got turned to the side.
So
They're like,
we can
whoa, you
stop
cool, bro?
calling and we can just get back to the subject.
I didn't call you a name. I said you had on a fucking cape.
And I said you had on a fucking gay.
What the fuck does that mean? And for me to be gay, I have to fuck a man. I've never fucked a man.
I don't know that.
I don't know. You haven't fucked a man, nigga.
If this is your friend, would you do this online?